Hi, I'm Kruno. Thanks for watching EPLAN Essentials. Are you a new EPLAN Pro Panel user and have you wondered what is the fastest way to navigate through the Layout Space Navigator? Then stay tuned, this video is right for you. In today's video, we will create together a filter for the Layout Space Navigator. Alright, we have now here Layout Space open in EPLAN Pro Panel. As we know, the Layout Space is a 3D environment of EPLAN, which displays the enclosure, singular or multiple enclosures baked together. And as we open the Layout Space Navigator and the enclosure which we have selected, the multiple surfaces are displayed where you typically can install components, such as mounting panel, doors, sidewalls, etc. Also, other mechanical components like profiles are displayed. Sometimes you have applications where you preferably only will see certain type of surfaces, like, as I said, mounting panel, doors, and side panels, and other information will be sufficient. So it will be really cool if we could hide surfaces which we don't need in order to have an easier overview and navigate faster. So this question I was also asked last Friday from one of my colleagues who said, how can I navigate faster through the Layout Space Navigator if I have an enclosure where the mounting panel is maybe moved to a different surface and I cannot find it? Typically this happens if we move the mounting panel, then suddenly it's not anymore in the original position here, but it's hidden maybe in the horizontal floor frame. And in order to prevent searching, a filter will be really nice. So how can you create now a filter for the Layout Space Navigator in order to navigate faster through the layout space? As you can see here, in the Layout Space Navigator, you have filter selection, and currently it's not activated. By default, EPLAN gives you a couple of filters to pre-select from. We will create now for today's exercise an own filter by selecting the 3-point button. If we click on 3-point button, a recent scheme is selected, and we will create a new scheme together with pressing the plus and giving the scheme a name. And now we need to define what we would like to see. It means the surfaces which we don't want to see, we can ignore and only select those surfaces which we would like to see. Let's say for today's example, we would like to see the mounting panel, and then we will enhance the filter with other surfaces. So first we will click now here at plus. Here you can now filter by various types of properties or functions. In order to select the mounting panel, we will have to select function definition. The operator is equal and the value is the mounting panel. So we will select the 3-dot button. A mounting panel is a mechanical component, so we will find it under Mechanics, System Accessories, Housing, Mounting Panel, and then select the mounting panel function definition. By pressing OK, we are confirming it. And here we're pressing OK one more time to see how the filter looks like. So as soon as you press OK, you will see the filter is currently active. And in the software, you only see the mounting panel. So this will be now an easy way to select the mounting panel if it will be hidden, for instance, on a different surface. As you see, it's very easy to select it. By selecting the enclosure, we are jumping now back. So let's enhance now the filter with a couple of more typically used surfaces, like for instance the door and the side panel. For this, we only need to know what function definitions are those. The door is pretty straightforward. If we select the door, we see the function definition is called door. The side panel is very similar. Select to the side panel. In this case, the side panel is function definition panel. So we know the two function definitions which we need to add to our filter. So let's go back to our filter by selecting the three dot button here. Since it's the last filter which we selected, it's already predefined in the schemes. Otherwise, we could select it out of the schemes here. And now we need to enhance the filter by just adding again the plus. So since we are adding additional functions to this already pre-selected functions, we will select the OR functionality and then adding the function definitions which we just defined previously. And those are the door and the panel. So here we go. Select the door. Door, similar like mount panel, is a mechanical component. And under system accessories, housing, we will find the door. Pressing OK. And now, additionally, we would like to have the panel function definition by pressing plus. Again, one more time, OR. And again, plus function definition. Equally as the mounting panel and the door panels are mechanical components. So we will press the three dot button, mechanics, system accessories, housing, panel, and confirming with OK. We now take a look how the filter looks like. We see the mounting panel, door, roof plate, rear panel, and here we will see the side panel left and right. This is much more comprehensive view and it's easier for you to navigate. Just like this, you can pre-select the views and the function definitions which you like, so you can easier navigate through EPLAN Pro Panel. This wraps up today's EPLAN Essentials video. If you found it beneficial, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it in your community. We are almost 500 subscribers. A big shout out to all of you. Also, please make sure to comment which other topics you would like to see soon on the EPLAN Essentials channels. Until the next time, Uncle Kruno signed out.